How to start making YouTube videos. Stop scrolling if you want to start YouTube but don't know where to begin. This video will save you months of confusion. Pick a niche. First, pick one topic you can talk about a lot. YouTube tips, news, education, faith, tech, or storytelling. If you can make 50 videos on it, that's your niche. You don't need expensive gear. Second, you don't need a camera. Your phone is enough. Good lighting and clear sound matter more than expensive equipment. Video structure. Every video needs this. A strong hook in the first 5 seconds, clear value in the middle, and a call to action at the end. Edit and thumbnail. Edit simply using apps like CapCut or InShot. Add subtitles. And remember, if your thumbnail is boring, nobody clicks. A consistency, WINS. Post consistently. Not perfectly, consistently. Your first 20 videos might flop, and that's normal. If you're serious about YouTube growth, like, subscribe, and comment, start, and I'll help you plan your first videos.